let's check out the Wurdig limited edition. So if you're here for the giveaway on this Wurdig, number 503, keep watching because I'll explain exactly how to enter to win that knife. Looks just like this one though. But here we got the Wurdig. This is an AUS 8 steel knife blade, or AUS 8, however you want to say it. It's got a DLC coating on the knife blade, and that beautiful black goes perfectly with this awesome G10 handle. Now this is a liner lock, just like the original. It does have that beautiful sexy red, possibly even more beautiful and sexier than the original. It's got a reversible pocket clip, so you can change it to this side easily. Now on this knife, I do think the G10 handle is a lot nicer than this green micarta handle. Now on this knife, it has some deeper ridges, so it's a lot more rough. It is nice and it's really comfortable, except for the ridges are a bit excessive. On this knife, they're perfect. It's smooth, but yet grippy, I guess. So it's extremely nice. Now the flip action is incredibly smooth. It's got ceramic ball bearings, so you're gonna have great flip action every time. And the pocket clip, I do like these pocket clips because they're flexible, they'll hold on great, but as soon as you pull them out, they're not gonna grab a hold. Because I've had some pocket clips where it just smashed down to your pants and it would pull out your whole pocket and you'd be upset because the freaking thing wouldn't let go. So this is an incredibly nice pocket clip. I do like that. So let's see how sharp this knife really is. 3, 2, 1, go. Over on TikTok, this was 140, so it's pretty consistent. If not, it got sharper on its own because this knife is just beautiful. So now this knife is only limited to 1,000 pieces because I showed you this was number 500 out of 1,000. And they're only sold at Walmart.com. So if you're interested in this knife, I'm gonna be giving this away to one of the commenters. Or this one. So just make sure you're subscribed and you comment on this video. So now I'm gonna be picking the winner for this knife on December 17th. So that way I can ship it out December 18th. Just be sure to comment and subscribe to this video, because if you think you're luckier than just buying this knife for $29 on Walmart.com, then good luck. I believe there's only about 160 left. That was today when I looked on December 6th. Now this isn't normal for me. I normally don't just show my hands. But so what do you think? Is this knife worth it? Would you want to win it for free? But thanks for watching.